Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use Quick Steps in Outlook Classic to automate common email actions with one click. This is perfect if you keep doing the same things again and again. First, open Outlook and go to your inbox. Now, click on the Home tab. In the middle of the ribbon, find the Quick Steps section. You'll see ready-made options like Reply and Delete or Move to Folder. These are shortcuts that save time. Let's create our own Quick Step. Click Create New in the Quick Steps section. First, type a name for your Quick Step. For example, Reply and Move. This name helps you remember what it does. Next, click the Choose an Action drop-down. Select an action like Reply, Move to Folder, or Mark as Read. You can add more actions by clicking Add Action. This lets one click do multiple things at once. For example, reply to an email and move it to a folder automatically. If needed, choose the folder or type a default reply message. This saves even more time. Click Finish. Your new Quick Step now appears in the Quick Steps section. To use it, click an email. Then click your Quick Step. Outlook instantly performs all the actions you set. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.